Hello guys, it's me, your boy, and I like maybe a year or two I got 100 subscribers, and I never did a 100 subscriber special. So my punishment will be going out naked on the rain currently. So that's a 100 subscriber session. Now let me just, undress. Oh my fuck! All right. Shit, this is gonna. If I don't catch a cold, I'm honestly gonna be surprised. What the fuck? All right. I'm going to have my fuck. So I'm going to have my flip-flops on, cause it's kinda. I don't want to really that wet. All right, now as you can see, I'm I'm naked. Everything naked. Now, of course, you won't get my dick reveal. That's not going to be happening yet, so Ubra, alright. Aha! Yes, this feels very nice. My hair is already getting wrecked. It's already cold. Bruh. Fuck. Alright. I'm gonna be maybe 1 minute on the rain. Let's shower a little bit, why not? Fuck! Fuck! This is cold. This is fucking cold. That's what I get for being a not good YouTuber and having a 100 subscriber special. Oh, I'm shaking. Fuck me. Oh, shit. Fuck, shit. It's not very nice. Alright, maybe it's not level 100 dying, but still it's not very nice. Jesus fucking Christ. I am. Oh, my titties are. No. Alright. It's been 1 minute. You can suck my dick. Jesus fuck. Alright, well, this was fun. Let's see if my watch still works. Alright. It is waterproof. Now we know that. Oh, well. This was idiotic. Oh, fuck.